Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to FEA with MSC Apex online course. Many structures with complex shapes need to be modelled in their full state, using 3D elements and the appropriate mesh controls. "3D solid models require less idealisation than for 1 and 2D element structures, and are often based directly on the original CAD geometry. However, 3D models can result in long solution times, so the element choice and size can be very important. Equally, geometry can be manipulated to allow transition from coarse to fine meshed regions, and detailed features such as fillets and holes to be captured properly. We'll give full instruction on how 3D models are created, modified and checked to ensure successful analysis. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.